Hello guys! First, I wanna show you my Longchamp bag. This is how dirty it is. Ayan, so look at the strap. It's so dirty. It has molds all around it. So now, I wanna clean this using an Evian water. Tingnan natin yung resulta. So, as you can see, ang dami na niyang mga marks. Mga ano yan, moist or molds, I guess. So, ayan. They are all visible all around. Ang dami. And so now I want to show you how I clean my Longchamp. Actually, what I use for this is just a damp cloth. But today, I want to do an experiment. I want to clean this with an Evian spray. We all know that an Evian spray, it's just a water. And it's used for face. Pero ngayon, I will try dito spray sa bag. And let's see how it works. Ayan, so, tingnan natin yung loob. Ito pa lang yung first time na bubuksan ko to. 2 months ko tong hindi ginamit. And then, this is how it looks. Sobrang dumi. Kasi hindi siya na ilalabas. I just kept it inside the room. And, ayan, ang daming moist niya or molds. I don't know. Pero ganyan talaga siya kadumi ngayon. Ayan. I fold my bags, especially ito, yung ganitong klase, it's foldable. I fold them when not in use. So, ayan tuloy nangyari. Sobrang dumi niya. There are patches. Can you see the patches? So, ayan, medyo i-angulo natin. Just so you could see the patches all around the bag. Sobrang dami. Ayan, pati sa ilalim. Ang dami-dami. Yung gagamitin natin today, it's an Evian water spray. It's used for the face, to moisturize the face. I just thought of making this video and using the Evian spray and see if it works. Siyempre, I think it works. Or ito kayang gamitin natin tong, what do you call this? Wet tissue, kaya lang merong alcohol yung wet tissue, so Evian na lang. And this white cloth. Okay, so, pero, actually, ang gamit ko lang to clean this is, wina-wipe out ko lang yung dumi using a damp cloth. So, but for today, let us try to use this Evian water. So, ganyan lang. Sobrang daling gamitin. Spray lang natin all over. And let's use this cloth. So, ayan guys. So, I'm just wiping away yung mga marks. And what I observe while I'm doing this is ang daling matanggal ng mga marks niya, yung parang mga molds, without using much effort. And by the way, yung Evian spray, it's a facial spray and it's natural mineral water. I think kaya lang mahal yung ganito is that, I don't know why. Actually, I think lang naman na because it's contained in this tin can. I don't know kung anong special dito. So, ayan. Itong side naman na to, ang dumi-dumi din. Let's spray. Ayan. So, pag gini-spray siya, actually, parang naano niya na tawag dito, yung mga marks, parang the marks disappear as I spray. Parang ganun. I don't know It's just my observation. Yung parang while I'm spraying, the marks are melting away. It looks like that. So it's easy to wipe them off. Ayan. So tingnan natin. I don't know what's so special with the Evian spray. Bakit siya mahal? Hindi ko lang din alam. So, ayan. Itong side na to. This is, the leather side of this bag. Leather part, I mean, of this bag. Itong flap na to. So, try din natin na spray yan. Although I think it's not advisable to do this, to spray on water on this part. Pero tinry ko na lang din. Ayan. Ang bilis matanggal ng nung mga dirt niya. And I can observe that itong yung mga parts na na-sprayan ko and na-wipe ko, tanggal agad. Ayan o. I don't know if the camera can catch na I think the dirt have already disappeared. Can you notice? Ganon siya kabilis. Ayan o, ang bilis niya. Wow! Actually, don't get me wrong, this is the first time I use Evian on this bag. Baka sabihin nyo, Evian talaga yung ginagamit ko. No, I use just a damp cloth to clean my bag. And what is the difference between using an Evian water and a regular water, maybe from the faucet? Ang difference lang siguro is when I spray on this Evian, it looks as if the dirt or the markings are already disappearing instantly. Hindi ko pa siya pinupunasan, parang nagdi-disappear, the marks are melting away. It looks like that. Okay, so ayan, ganyan na siya. Ang kintab, I don't know, pero parang meron siyang, ayan, makintab na finish. This bag is 5 years old. Ito yung pinaka-kauna-unahan kong Longchamp bag. This is my very first Longchamp bag, and this one is already 5 years old. Ayan. Ayan, sobrang linis na niya. Ang bilis gamitin. And it looks shiny. It looks good. Ayan, oh. O, diba? So, thank you.